Hello students, so now we are going to begin with simple tenses, present, past and future. Tenses are very important. Tenses of a verb shows when something is going to happen or when something has happened or when something is happening. So, I run every day. The action is taking place. So, it is present tense. I ran yesterday. The action has already taken place. So, it is past tense. I will run tomorrow is going to be taken place, right? So, it is future tense. The simple tense verbs simply indicates action in present, past and future. The simple present tense is used to indicate the following: habits, regular events, current situations, general truths or facts. Simple present tense, it resembles the base form of verb, but we add s or es or ies when the subject is in the third person, he, she, it. For example, I spy, I you spy, she spies. The simple past tense is used to indicate an action that has already happened before speaking. We add ed to the base verb because the action has already taken place now. So that action verb will be added with ed. For example, I spied. When in the present tense we took the same sentence, I said I spy. Irregular verb take different forms. For example, I swam. Simple past tense of the irregular verb swam is swim. The simple future tense is used to indicate an action that will happen after the speaking. We will add will or shall before the base verb. For example, I will tell you my answer. I tell you my answer is present. So adding the word will make the sentence future. Imperative sentence used verbs in the simple present tense. The verb stays in the base form. Soak the clothes in soap water. We are giving an order, right? Imperative is giving an order. Interrogative sentences in simple tenses begin with to do or to be verbs, followed by the subject and the main verb. Interrogative sentences are question type questions. In simple tense begin with in interrogative sentences it begins with to do or to be verbs. For example, does, and it follows by the subject. Subject means the person about whom we are talking. So does is to do. It is a verb, to be verb. Hate is the main verb. Going to the movies. Does she hate going to movies? So now we are going to see some sentences under simple present tense. In simple present tense, the action is taking place or ongoing. So the base verb, the action word will always be the word which is base of the verb. For example, it usually rains every day here. Rains is a base verb of word rain. Rained, rained, is a word which is used in past tense. Will rain is a word which will be used in future tense. It smells very delicious in the kitchen. We generally sing songs all together. We go to gallery every Sunday. Does he write an email? The sun rises at the east. She goes to work by car. It doesn't rain here in the summer. We cook every day. She cooked yesterday will be a past tense. We go to the gym club together. We will go to the gym club together will be future tense. Now past tense sentences. George came home very late last night. Came. Come is a present tense verb, whereas came, C-A-M-E, is a past tense word. I forgot my wallet. He had a dog last year. Last year I travelled, ed is used. Travelled to Germany, so it is a past tense. Two boys played with ball, ed. Again, to the base word play, ed is added, so it is a simple past tense. An old lady walked with her cat. Walked, ed, again past tense. A nurse brought a little girl, baby, to the park. Now, if it is brings, it becomes present tense, whereas brought is past tense. An old man sat down and read his book is a past tense. A large trunk came around the corner. Came, again it is a past tense. She finished all the exercise. Again ed is used, so it is a past tense. Now future tense. She will see her friend at the weekend. Will see again becomes a future tense. I will read the newspaper when I go to the bus tense. Will read becomes a future tense word. Tomorrow, the sun will rise at am. It becomes will rise, na? It will happen. So it is a future tense. He will help you tomorrow. Future tense. I will see you tomorrow. Please wait for me. Again future tense. They are going to dance. They are going. It is going to happen. It has not happened yet. So future tense. I will go to London next week. Again future tense. I will be 27 in April. She is going to be 27, or he is going to be 27. He is not yet 27. It is going to happen in future, so it is a simple future tense. I will be 27 in April. She won't do the ironing. I am going to cook tonight. She doesn't know whether she is going to do or not, so she won't do. So it is a future tense. I hope everyone is clear with simple past, present and future sentences. Thank you.